for any sequence of real numbers, A, that is A1, A2, A3, and so on, define delta A to be the sequence A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, and so on, whose general term is AN plus 1 minus AN. Suppose that all of the terms of the sequence delta of delta A are 1, and that A19 equals A94 equals 0. Find A1. Let's gather the important information from this. The terms of sequence A, its difference sequence delta of A, all terms of delta A being equal to 1, and that A94 equals A19 equals 0. And from this, we've to find the first term of A. First, rename the terms of delta A to D1, D2, D3, etc. Then, the terms of delta A become D2 minus D1, D3 minus D2, D4 minus D3, etc. And, all of them being equal to 1, we can conclude that any term of the sequence delta of A equals the previous term plus 1. Continuing till the first term, we can find that Dn equals D1 plus n minus 1. Now, we substitute this in the terms of delta A, described in form of variables of A, like A2 minus A1 equals D1, then A2 equals A1 plus D1. Continuing similarly for successive terms, we get that nth term of A equals A1 plus sum of previous terms of delta A. Nth term of A, that is, An can be written as A1 plus summation of Di, while I ranges from 1 to n minus 1. Now, we've to find the sum of first n minus 1 terms of delta A to proceed further. Here, we will substitute the equation we found earlier to calculate Dn. It equals summation of D1 plus I minus 1. D1 and negative 1 being constant terms, we get n minus 1 times D1 plus n minus 1 times negative 1 plus the sum of first n minus 1 natural numbers. Finally, it will simplify to n minus 1 times D1 plus n minus 1 times n minus 2 divided by 2. Now, An equals A1 plus the expression for Dn that we just found. And it's given in the problem statement that A19 equals A94 equals 0. Now, we'll substitute the expression for An in the terms and then solve the equality. This will become a pair of linear equations in two variables. First, we'll find the value of D1 and then we'll substitute it in the notation and evaluate further to find A1. D1 equals negative 55. Now, we'll substitute in either of the terms of A. Substituting D1 in A19, we get A1 minus 990 plus 153 equals 0. This evaluates to A1 equaling 837. Thanks for watching. If you like my work, then you can support me on Patreon or donate on my UPI.